If someone in the Iran region escalated to a nuclear strike, how far would the effects actually reach? Let's go over the countries that would be impacted. And the last one might surprise you. First, the closest countries like Iraq, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, and the UAE would feel the effects the most. Not just from the initial event, but from intense heat, shock waves, and immediate radiation in nearby areas. Infrastructure would be heavily disrupted, and in areas, radioactive fallout could begin settling within hours, affecting air quality, water sources, and anything exposed outdoors. But it doesn't stop at the border. Countries slightly further, like Turkey, Pakistan, and western parts of India, wouldn't experience the initial blast, but they could still be affected by the fallout carried throughout the atmosphere. This spread depends heavily on the wind direction. Now, this is where it becomes more complex. Parts of Eastern Europe, countries like Ukraine, Romania, Bulgaria, Greece, and even Poland could see effects depending on how winds move across the region. Similarly, in North Africa, countries like Egypt, Libya, and Sudan could also experience some level of fallout, especially if wind patterns carry particles southwest. Russia could also be affected, particularly its southern region, depending on the direction of atmospheric flow. And further east, places like northern India or parts of Central Asia could see indirect effects as well. Even countries as far as the UK could detect trace effects, not from the initial event, but from very small amounts of radioactive particles traveling long distances over time. Subscribe and like for more map information.